Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale
of a fateful trip
that started from this eastern town. Watch out for that cow chimp.
The leader was a working man,
His running mate brave and sure.
5 passengers set sail that day
For a 3-month tour, a 3-month tour. The weather started getting rough.
Tiny wags were tossed.
If not for the courage of the fearless crew,
All hope would be lost.
all hope would be lost.
The ship that down the shore of this uncharted frozen lake,
With Gilligan,
and Tansy too.
the president, Paul Donner,
George John
Liza, and Organ Don
at Da Vinci High. He's no steak, no fruit at all.
just twigs, bark, and frost.
If not for the sacrifice of a few,
All hope would be lost. So this is the tale of the castaways.
they were there for a long, long time.
They formed a political party then to stand the
test of time. The first mate and the president
will do their very best
to make this country great again.
from the east to the west.
So join us here each week, my friend,
You're sure to get a smile
from 5 stranded castaways here at Da Vinci High.